Hi, everyone. You seriously need to see this best center console storage. It's officially the most talked about item this month. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it is remarkably high-end. The attention to detail on this specific model is stunning. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low. Click the link below right now and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.